na late ang blocker, yan pwede mong i-check out. And malayo siya sa antena, if you can see. Nakasalo ba? Nakasalo.
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 Another good serve there coming from Marciano. Salak ngayon for Michelle Carolino, misdirecting it. Concepcion, quick set to got to win.
Talagang at least now, diba? Ginagawa nila ng paraan i-check out yung bola. Since alam nila matatangkad yung players or yung kalaban nila, tapik-tapik lang.
And Michelle Datuin has been doing that for years.
Yes.
Alam naman na si Michelle Datuin, hindi na gano'ng kataas yung lundag niya. So gagamitan na niya ng utak.
And kailangan na maraming technique or gulang pag ang kalaban mo, mga ganito cover veterans na player.
And that's a great dig there coming from Justin Tadeo. Sang Muang, second time around. Umarachada na po ang PNP. They're only down by 1.
This is the game we've been waiting for.
At yan ang inintay din natin dito kay Pachari Sang Muang. Na although advancing in years na siya, nandun pa rin yung kanyang abilidad. Marciano again. Shasha Torres nahirapan doon. Salak cannot get it across. We are tied at 10. What heart being shown here by PNP against the undefeated Lady Troopers.
Gumigising na ang crowd dito sa San Juan Arena. Good morning, everybody.
Alam mo naman yung mga Pilipino, Michelle.
Yes.
Mahilig sa underdog yan. Kung wala kang pinapanigan talaga, nanood ka lang dito. Sino ba yung mahina? Ay, yung PNP, wala pang panalo. Kampihan natin sila. And a heroic effort that time by Marciano, pero hindi na naabutan ni Justin Tadeo.
You're helping.
Well, because it's the official official ball of the Shakey's V-League, as we now have Tina Salak to put it in play. Short serve. Ang ganda ng timing to ni Tadeo.
Parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng pancake receive. Noel.
Ang hirap basahin yung serve.
Years in volleyball, pancake receive.
Pero good put away that time also para sa PNP to tie us up at 11. And Coach Bob Malenab knows that they have a chance here in the second set. Concepcion on the serve. They go to Michelle Carolino. And again, the coverage is there for Marciano. Sang Muang off the block. Salak ngayon, pupunta kay Michelle Carolino. Nice defense by Jeline Labrador and Michelle Datuin.
Kung may pick up ang defense ng PNP ngayon, not only with blocking as you can see, but with floor defense as well.
Kita mo naman kung gaano kataas yung lundag. It's actually all Labrador that time. Gaano kalayo yung pinanggalingan ni Labrador para puntahan yung block na yon. Ngayon, lamang na po ang PNP. First lead of the game. At sabi ni Mary Jean Balse, panandalian lang yan mga chong.
Wait lang. Warm up.
Teka muna. Kayo masyadong mag-celebrate pa at mahaba-haba pa itong laban.
Exciting ang nagiging laban itong second set.
Isa pa yan, si Ging Balse, of course, is a former Shakey's V-League MVP. In fact, the first MVP of the league in 2004.
And naging sumali na rin ng iba't ibang teams yan.
That's
as a
true.
guest player.
In fact, in the first conference, she saw action for Arellano University. So, guest player niya just to keep in shape. And of course, yung tuhod niya, unti-unti na bumabalik yung lakas. She's had a perennial problem on her right knee. Ngayon, kikita nga natin, dalawang tuhod na niya yung naka-bandage dito. Army protecting a 1-point lead. Reception is there for Marciano. Pachari Sang Muang, sarado kay Joan Bunag at kay Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Bukas na bukas naman ang coverage run for the PNP. Wala na nakakuha ng bola.
Ito lang po masasabi natin dito sa Philippine Army. Lakasan na lineup nila. Siyempre, may mga konti may karamdaman yung iba. Pero at the first week and about next week, alam nyo na po kung sino darating sa kanila para makompleto na yung kanilang lineup. Rachel Andakis lang naman.
Babalik na siya from Germany.
Babalik na siya from Germany. As Molina or Sang Muang is able to put that away, but Dakis will be suiting up for the Philippine Army. They have only been playing with 13 players. Dakis is the 14th player. She will be wearing that number 13 jersey once again. Here is Bunag. And Marciano gets there. Here is Sang Muang cross court. Shasha Torres is there. Salak ngayon for Carolino, and a down the line hit works as Michelle Datuin was not there.
Dalawang player na nakaabang doon. May block, may Concepcion, may Datuin. Pero hindi mo pa rin mapipigilan
Ibang
talaga
klase
ang
naman.
down the line ni Michelle Carolino.
Michelle Carolino, of course, sumikat as a player for Leletran College. Silang dalawang magkapatid ni Mayet. And made their way to the national team. Molina now. Tina Salak. Combination now for Nene Bautista. Tadeo is there. Concepcion. Francis Molina. Tina Salak. Jovelyn Gonzaga. Joan Bunag off the block. Tadeo.
Still alive.
Here's Concepcion now on the back set. Pachari Sang Muang. Binuhay pa rin ni Tadeo. Long rally. Francis Molina. And Molina will miss.
I think she was looking for that check ball.
Right.
Pero hindi talaga nakuha.
So Army, a little bit of a struggle here, but they are still up by 3. For V-League updates, Shakey's V-League updates, ladies and gentlemen, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/NewsTV All Sports. Nahanap na rin po natin ang ating face of the day, si Maria Cristina L. Encarnacion from Make Kawayan, Bulacan, 23 years old. At yan po, may pizza, hindi naabot ng Bulacan yan, malamang.
Hindi
Expressway
na masyado malayo.
Wala na siguro.
Palabas pa lang siguro nakahingi na tayo sa kanya.
Hindi, Balintawak pa lang. Dito pa lang, pero Balintawak pa lang, simot na yan eh. Eto ngayon si Tadeo. 3-point lead for Army. Jaline Labrador. Salak na for Joan Bunag.
Fast
Oh.
play.
And again, that will only come from years of experience
Yes.
na magkakilala na kayo. Gulat ko nga dito kay Gonzaga. She's been here for what? 2-3 months pa lang. Pero ang bilis na ng adapting niya sa mga plays ng Philippine Army. Same thing with Nene Bautista, who used to play for the Philippine Navy actually. Good block there. As Molina gets it across. Salak on the back set ngayon to Gonzaga and hindi na naabutan niya ni Labrador.
Naunahan siya ng sigaw. Naunahan siguro ng kaba.
And a timeout here called by Bob Malena. Bas namagana naman ang kalamangan ng Army.
I-receive lang natin isa para makaipot. Tagal na naman eh. Isa lang yan kanina, 14-13. Hindi tayo